Hello and welcome to this lecture, which I title, Using YouTube to Promote Your Book. In comparison to advertising online across other mediums such as Facebook or using Google AdWords to reach people on a cost-per-click bid basis, where clicks can become more expensive due to the bidding process, advertising on YouTube is a very economical way to get the word out about your brand, your products, and your services. For only about 2 to 3 cents a click, you are in business with people viewing your content and video ads. So this can be a very inexpensive way to promote your book online. There are some challenges with advertising through this medium, however. The first of which is that you often will have to create a video advertisement as opposed to just an image you post with a clickable component that allows the viewer to learn more about the product and purchase it. Video advertising means you have to get more creative, and that can be a barrier for some, but it really does not have to be as difficult as you might think. For example, when people traditionally think of creating videos, they think of capturing movement and action, just like you would see on a TV advertisement or in a movie. This is an expensive and time-consuming way to create an ad, but you really don't have to be that elaborate if you don't want to be. To explain, you can also create ads using tools like Microsoft PowerPoint or even just using JPEG images. What you do is find or create slides or images you would like people to see, put them in a sequence using a video editing tool, many of which are purchasable for less than $100, by the way. In fact, there are even some shareware ones out there, including the one you can use found on YouTube itself. And then you create a voice recording using an audio editor to improve it as required. The audio spans the time you allow people to view all the collective images, and it, along with your images, become your sales pitch. You get to say what you want to about the product, and the audio with the images popping up as you go through your narrative becomes your video ad. To complete your video advertising campaign, you then intersperse YouTube annotations and cards that contain your links, and you can send people to your websites and sales or sign-up pages, lead capture pages, to other YouTube playlists or videos you would like them to view, etc. Once uploaded to YouTube, you can go into editing mode and click on the Promote button to get the word out at the 2 to 3 cents a paid click that I mentioned above. So you don't have to spend a lot on an advertising video unless you really want to, which opens up YouTube as an advertising platform for everyone, including those running small at-home businesses. Now let's talk about the different ways you can advertise on YouTube. First, you create your own video and upload it to YouTube to your own channel and playlists, and then promote it as I've already discussed above. One trick to consider is that if you do not monetize your ad video, you do not run the risk of someone else's ad being placed on or around yours, and thus having your potential customer being siphoned off to someone else's site. Secondly, you can use the YouTube system to advertise on and around your own ad video, just as if you were an external advertiser advertising on your video. This is kind of a double whammy approach to advertising, but some advertisers like to do this for the added advertising power you can build around the video, and this strategy does work to gain more clicks from more viewers, but it does cost you a little more to have the second campaign running as well. You can advertise on other creators' videos through one of two methods. First, you can connect with the other creator and strike a deal to have them weave your ad into their creations. This is not the usual approach for this, but it does have the benefit of building collaborations with other creators, and it gets your ad in effect endorsed by the other content creator. They make some money directly from you via a side deal, and you gain an endorsement and a higher quality level access to their entire subscriber base, which is in effect target marketing for you in niches you want to promote your product in. The second method, of course, is to use the YouTube marketing system to place ads on and around the videos of other creators who have monetized their content. Less targeting ability this way and no creator endorsement opportunities, but it is a cheap way to get your message out there. You can also purchase space and run banner ads across the YouTube site. Their preferred size for these banner ads, by the way, is 300 by 250 pixels. These ads will appear on many viewing pages and are not specifically tied to your channel or playlists. If you are a bigger advertiser or are willing to take on the additional costs, you are also able to create other more targeted ads with YouTube but you would then be working with a YouTube sales representative to negotiate these ad deals. One type of ad in this category that is gaining more and more traction these days is advertising directly against the YouTube mobile platform offering. YouTube is now working with advertisers to create offerings specifically targeting the mobile space. So this lecture presents just an overview of the types of options available to you with respect to advertising on YouTube. One of the options that I find particularly exciting is that of collaborating with YouTube content creators directly to have them promote your ad in their video creations. It is more work to achieve ad placement of this nature, so not too many go after it. But if you think about it, if you pick the right creators, sort of like betting on the right horse in a horse race, and their videos tend to go viral, getting lots and lots of views over time, you will be taken along for the ride and your ads will be seen over and over again as these videos are watched over the years. So don't lose sight of this idea. It could be fun to try to make this work with someone if you have the right type of product and you can build the right creator relationships. In any event, YouTube is out there waiting for you to promote your ads economically to its millions of viewers. You just have to pick the strategy you want to employ to get your ads in front of them. That's all for now. Bye-bye.